Throughout history, numerous mummies have been discovered, each revealing fascinating insights into past civilizations. However, some mummies defy explanation, challenging our understanding of history and human capabilities. One such shocking mummy was discovered in a remote cave, far from any known burial site. Unlike traditional mummies, which are carefully preserved through intentional mummification processes, this particular mummy appeared to have undergone an unexplained form of natural preservation. What made this discovery truly astonishing was the physical characteristics of the mummy. Reports suggested that the body was much larger than the average human, standing over 8 feet tall. Its skeletal structure appeared to be more robust, leading some researchers to speculate whether it belonged to a previously unknown branch of the human species or even a lost race of giants. DNA analysis and radiocarbon dating place the mummy's age at several thousand years old. Interestingly, traces of an unknown substance were found on the body, hinting at an ancient preservation technique far ahead of its time. Some theories suggest that this might be connected to forgotten knowledge of early civilizations, possibly linked to ancient Egyptian or South American cultures. Others propose even more controversial theories, such as extraterrestrial influence or lost ancient technologies. Despite scientific skepticism, the discovery of this shocking mummy continues to intrigue researchers. Could this be evidence of a forgotten chapter in human history? Or is it simply a case of an unusual but explainable natural phenomenon? Legends of giants have persisted across cultures, from the biblical Nephilim to the towering figures of Norse mythology. However, modern science has yet to confirm the existence of such beings. Yet, deep within uncharted forests, there have been reports of colossal humanoid creatures that defy conventional explanations. One of the most famous legends is that of the giant of the forest, a mysterious being said to inhabit dense jungles and remote woodlands. Witnesses describe it as a towering figure, standing over 10 feet tall, with immense strength and agility. Unlike mythical Bigfoot or the Yeti, this creature is often depicted as having a more human-like appearance but with exaggerated proportions. Local indigenous tribes in various parts of the world claim to have coexisted with these beings for centuries. They speak of encounters where these giants displayed intelligence, communication skills, and even a form of primitive culture. While mainstream science dismisses these accounts as folklore, researchers have found intriguing evidence, such as oversized footprints, unusual skeletal remains, and even eyewitness testimonies from respected figures. One particularly compelling report emerged from a team of explorers who ventured deep into the Amazon rainforest. They claimed to have encountered a humanoid figure far larger than any known human, which quickly disappeared into the dense vegetation. Their accounts were accompanied by blurry photographs and video footage, which, while inconclusive, added fuel to the ongoing debate. Could the giant of the forest be a surviving member of an ancient lineage of hominids? Or is it merely an exaggerated tale passed down through generations? Until definitive proof is found, the mystery remains unsolved. India is home to one of the world's oldest civilizations, with a history rich in scientific advancements, engineering marvels, and technological achievements. Ancient Indian texts, such as the Vedas and Mahabharata, contain descriptions of sophisticated technologies that challenge conventional historical narratives. One of the most intriguing aspects of ancient Indian technology is the concept of vimanas, mystical flying machines described in Hindu scriptures. These texts speak of aerial vehicles capable of traveling vast distances, engaging in aerial warfare, and even reaching other realms. While many dismiss these accounts as mythological storytelling, some researchers believe that they could be references to forgotten knowledge of aerodynamics and advanced engineering. In addition to aviation, ancient Indian architecture demonstrates an astonishing understanding of engineering principles. The construction of temples and structures like the Kailasa temple in Ellora, which was carved entirely from a single rock, suggests an advanced mastery of stone cutting and construction techniques. Even today, experts struggle to explain how such structures were built with the tools supposedly available at the time. Another remarkable example of ancient Indian technological prowess is the Iron Pillar of Delhi. This structure, estimated to be over 1,600 years old, has resisted rust and corrosion despite being exposed to the elements. Modern metallurgists have studied its composition and discovered a unique protective layer that prevents oxidation, indicating a level of knowledge in metallurgy that was far ahead of its time. Beyond physical artifacts, texts like the Sushruta Samhita describe advanced medical procedures, including plastic surgery and complex surgical techniques, long before similar advancements were made in the West. The detailed understanding of human anatomy and medicinal herbs found in ancient Indian writings continues to influence modern medical practices. Could it be that ancient Indian civilization possessed a level of technological sophistication that has been lost over time? Some scholars argue that much of this knowledge was either forgotten due to historical disruptions or deliberately suppressed. If rediscovered, these ancient technologies could revolutionize our understanding of history and inspire new advancements in science and engineering. At first glance, a shocking mummy, the giant of the forest, and ancient Indian technology might seem unrelated. However, they all point to a common theme: the possibility that history as we know it is incomplete. Could the giant mummy be related to the legends of towering beings reported in various cultures? Is it possible that the giant of the forest is a remnant of an ancient race that once walked the earth alongside early humans? And could the technological advancements described in ancient Indian texts suggest that humanity once possessed knowledge far beyond what mainstream history acknowledges? At first glance, a shocking mummy, the giant of the forest, and ancient Indian technology might seem unrelated. However, they all point to a common theme: the possibility that history as we know it is incomplete. Could the giant mummy be related to the legends of towering beings reported in various cultures? Is it possible that the giant of the forest is a remnant of an ancient race that once walked the earth alongside early humans? And could the technological advancements described in ancient Indian texts suggest that humanity once possessed knowledge far beyond what mainstream history acknowledges? Some researchers believe that these mysteries are interconnected. Ancient texts from different civilizations frequently mention beings of enormous size, advanced flying machines, and forgotten sciences. While skeptics argue that these accounts are simply mythological exaggerations, others believe that they contain hidden truths waiting to be uncovered. In the end, the search for answers continues. Whether through archaeological discoveries, scientific advancements, or a re-examination of ancient texts, humanity may one day unlock the secrets of these enduring mysteries. Until then, they remain as tantalizing clues to a past that might be far more extraordinary than we ever imagined.